Hi, I'm Carrie from VIVA Skin Clinics, and today we've been joined by Clare, who's come to us asking for a fresher looking appearance after all her stressful shifts working as a nurse in intensive care. We'll be injecting dermal filler to specific points to help lift, volumise, soften and create a lovely fresh appearance. This is really exciting for both us and Clare, so stay tuned for some amazing before and after pictures. Hi Clare, it's great to have you here with us today. Can you tell us a little bit about what's brought you here?
I just wanted to look a bit fresher, feeling a bit old at the moment, and just feel that my skin's a bit saggy.
And how long have you been thinking about having some treatments done?
Probably in the last couple of years really. Now late 40s, things are starting to sag a little bit more, a few more lines and wrinkles, and yeah, just wanted to look a bit younger, a bit fresher. Feel a bit better about myself when I look in the mirror.
So looking at foundations initially, as we age, we have bone reabsorption, muscle weakness and separations of fat pads. And this all leads to everything moving forwards and down. So first we will be placing some dermal filler to the mid-face, the cheek area, to replace some lost volume and create some lift. We'll also be looking at the temple area where there's loss of volume and hollowness that we can see. This is an area that's often overlooked, but it's brilliant for helping to support facial structure, supporting the brows and supporting the cheek lift. Creating a soft contour around the jawline will also be nice, so it will give a soft definition and soft lift just around the angle of the jaw. The ageing process also leads to a loss of structure and support to the lower face. So placing some dermal filler to the chin will help strengthen, support and create a nice heart-shaped face and create a more balanced profile.
I will try and relax for the next lot.
Oh, don't worry, it's your first time having any injectables and we're doing it loads to you. So let's show you the mirror, Clare.
Oh wow, that looks amazing. Oh my gosh, my chin, I've got a chin back. That looks really amazing.
So what are you expecting?
Better, much better. Just the volume here, just I had lines here before, and just so much, oh, it's so much better.
So we've given some lift to the cheeks, we've given some volume back to the cheeks, We've created a really soft definition and lift to the jawline. We've also created a bit more shape and definition to the chin again. And we've also replaced some volume lost to the temples. So overall, a really refreshed look.
Do you know, I was really looking here a couple of days ago, and I was thinking, do that, and you just got these, just looks old. That looks amazing. I'm really pleased.
So just a little bit of aftercare advice, Claire. No excessive exercise for the next 24 hours, no alcohol this evening. When you go home to wash your face tonight, just wash it, don't put any products on it. Normally would say no saunas, steam rooms, extreme heat, but obviously we don't need to worry about that at the moment. But that's about it. Enjoy your new look. So we've just performed a subtle lift using dermal fillers. Claire is looking much happier, refreshed and more confident. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us, or feel free to visit one of our social media sites. See you next time.